everyone, it's Kathy Conley, buyer specialist at Vandenberg. I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you one of our listings in Chelsea at 448 West 25th Street. The house is asking $4,995. It has a garden duplex and 2 free market rentals upstairs. Two of the main features I love about this house is its width. It's 20 feet wide and its amazing garden space. Let's go take a look at it. The owners did a great job of maximizing the indoor-outdoor entertaining space by installing this nano wall. Not only does it have a lovely magnolia tree, but it's surrounded by low townhouses all around. Now let's go take a look downstairs where there's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a den, and additional access to outside. Thank you so much for joining me here at 448 West 25th Street. I look forward to seeing you in the near future, and please feel free to call me with any questions about this home. Bye-bye.